Hello, ERGA. I'm Tereza Manousaki, and I will introduce you to the Data Analysis Committee. The organizing members are Maria Jose Ruiz Lopez, Rosa Fernandez, Vito Souza, Mafalda Souza Ferreira, Joan Pon, Pascalia Capli, Ana Riesgo, Igros Krolus, and myself. We have set up our communication channels. We have a key-based channel, a Google group, and email for contacting us. Recently, we have sent a questionnaire to the whole ERGA community, aiming to chart the community expertise and interests. Our longer plans are to establish a discussion forum for genomic analysis of all different types, to establish best practices, and build a network of genome data analysts. Ultimately, we would like to offer solutions to all the questions that will arise while analyzing the ERGA genomes. So please join us. Send us an email at analysis@erga-biodiversity.eu, answer the questionnaire, forward it to early career scientists. We're looking forward to working with you. Thank you.